Hi, my name's Robert, and welcome to the video series where we are transforming my friend John's 1997 Volvo 850R. We're replacing the engine, converting it to a manual, and doing several other upgrades and modifications. Back at it, another day on this transformation with the 850. 82 degrees and climbing. I'm going to go ahead and pop that tent, get some shade, and get to work. Putting the tires on. I like to put the pin to the bottom. Makes it easier for me to put the wheel on. And check it out. The Quaif at work. LSD people. LSD. If this was an open diff, you turn this wheel forward, that one turns back. We have flipped this grip. The front wheels are on the ground. I need to torque these axles in here since the front's on the ground. And we are tearing out the parking brake system so we can refresh that anew. So the driver's side cable was totally seized. The passenger side cable is partially seized. This is the total movement of the cable with my hand. That's it. From there to there. That thing moves about a ½ inch. So these cables are seized up. Let's go grab the new ones. So this is how much the new cables move. Total movement. Having a hard time getting the cable all the way in the hole back here that it goes in. And I started scraping and see this rust coming out of here. So I'm going to run something in there to hopefully get rust out of there. Ran this in that hole to get the rust out of it. So hopefully we'll be good to go. We're going to spray that out with some brake parts cleaner. Put a little bit of lubrication on that and push it in there. Ran into an issue with our job. We got the cable in, all ready to go. Reach for the new brake shoes. And this Bosch box BS819, they're listed on the websites for fitting 850s. They do not. They are considerably smaller. They're not even close. So don't buy these thinking they're going to fit for your 850s. Here for other models. They claim they fit S60s, 940s, and all kind of vehicles, including 850s. So don't do this for your Volvo 850. So we are on hold. I will find those parts and bring them tomorrow. We also need a tiny spring, that little spring right there. And we also need a roller spacer thing that goes on the end of here. This little thing here is missing on the other side. So I'm gonna get those and bring those to finish this up tomorrow. I am as far as I could get on the parking brake situation. We got the inside put back together. Getting ready to clean up our tools and get to the next task until we get the rest of these parking brake parts here tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.